Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I want to decide to show you why I pass until I reach the why I purchased my shamba. Please, if it is the first time for watching my channel, I'm requesting you can support me by subscribing, share and comment. Be tuned as I want to show you why I pass until I reach why I purchased my shamba. Please, you can support me by subscribing, share and comment. And you can find there we have a new member at Irene James. You can find a channel there. You can support her by subscribing, share and comment. Please, thank you for watching this channel in this world. May God bless you. Please continue watching it. I will show you step by step until where I will reach where I purchase my shamba. Thank you. May God bless you. Continue watching this channel. Hello members. Today I'm going to where I purchased my shamba. You can see I must pass this road, this one, so that I can reach where I purchased my shamba. This is the place which I'm passing. You can see I must pass here in this bridge. You can see the bridge. I must pass here. This bridge. After that bridge, you can see this the nature road. I must pass this one. You can see some maize, green maize. I must pass here so that I can reach where I purchase my shamba. I must pass here. You can see Siragana River. You can see Ragana River there. Siragana River. I must pass here. This nature road. There's some of maize. You can see here. This is the Ragana River. This is the place where I'm passing so that I can reach where I purchase my shamba. Please, if it is the first time for watching this channel, please I'm requesting you can subscribe for my channel, share and comment. I must pass here. You can see I'm going where I purchased my shamba. Let me show this tarmac road which I'm used to see. So my neighbors. I have some more of chicken. Let me show you where I purchased my shamba. There's a distance. By walking with the feet, it is a lot of distance. Because I will try my best to reach where I purchased my shamba. Here you can see there's a lot of some of the millet. I already planted here. I must pass here. You can see the place I'm nearest to reach where I purchased my shamba. You can see I must use this method so that I can reach where I purchase my shamba. I'm now reached where I purchased my shamba. You can see I'm now reached where I purchased my shamba. My people, I would appreciate when you subscribe for my channel, share and like. Please, if it is the first time for watching this channel, I'm requesting you can support me by subscribing, share and comment. Please, I'm now reached where I purchased my small garden or my small shamba. Please, if it is the first time for watching this channel, I'm requesting you can support me by subscribing, share and comment. In this world, you can see, as I have told you, it is a place which I want to put my dream house. Consider that place, please. Remember, support me by subscribing, share and comment, please. I'm requesting, I would appreciate when you support me by subscribing. I really love you, members. Please support me by subscribing my channel, like and comment. And you can see here, I try to plant some of vegetable. You can see that vegetable is now cleared now. See the vegetable now. This is the vegetable. You can see it. Members, it is where I purchased my shamba. If this is the first time for watching this channel, I'm requesting you, please, you can support me by subscribing, share and comment. Please, I'm requesting you, members, support me by subscribing, share and comment. This is the material that I have already brought. I have already bring. You can see it clearly now. You can see that stones, a lot of stones. I try to plant pineapple here. I try to plant that banana. This is a pineapple, banana. I try to plant some of trees. You can see now this is a tree. You can see it. I have a sisal. You can see it there, sisal. I really love this place because when you see this place, it's almost quiet. There's no noise. There's no interference. Members, if it is the first time for watching my channel, please subscribe, share and comment. You can see here I have try to put a boil here for helping neighbors in this area so that they can get water. This is a vegetable. I have a lot of vegetable. I have so many vegetables. If you are watching my channel, I'm requesting to come and take. I will give you some of vegetables so that you can use at your home. Please, members, you can see some of cassava. It is here. This is neighbor. Cassava it is here. I would appreciate when you subscribe for my channel, neighbor. Please, I'm requesting for your kindness. Subscribe for my channel, like it, comment and share, please. Please members, I'm requesting, support me by subscribing my channel, like it and share. Now members, this week, if I could get some of money, I wanted to burn these bricks. But now I don't have any money. I don't have any help for now. And you can see there's some of rain coming and interfering with my project. Please, you can support me by subscribing and share the comment. My people, it is now raining. Some of my bricks have damage. Can you see? You can see my people in this world. This is my project which I started, but you can see the rain have decided to damage my bricks. Please people, you can support me by subscribing, share and comment. My good friends, I would appreciate when you see this one. This is the way, this is the bricks that I decided to make. But you can see some of I've get some of damage. You can see down here I've get some of damage of bricks. Please support me by subscribing, share and comment. Please. These people, I'm requesting you